LinkTree is dead. Listen, friend, I've been an entrepreneur since 2018 and a lot has changed in that time, and that's exactly why I want to talk to you about this new tool that I'm not seeing any creators on the internet talk about. I want to show you this one tool that I think every online entrepreneur needs to know about. If you're looking to make more money in your business, improve your ability to make that income passively, and find a better way to better connect with your audience, grow your email list, and ultimately your bottom line, then this video is for you. This tool is going to absolutely transform the way that you use your link in bio, and I cannot wait to share it with you. I will also just preface this video by saying that this video is not sponsored. This is a tool that I genuinely just use and love and want to share with you. Okay, friends, so let's go ahead and jump right in here. What exactly is a link in bio? Most of us creators or entrepreneurs in the online space are offering more than one thing. Maybe we have a YouTube channel, maybe we sell digital offers, maybe we do coaching, maybe we have a podcast. You get the idea. Many of us are on multiple different social media channels, and many of us have multiple different offers. But the unfortunate thing is, with most social media platforms, YouTube is the exception, I'm talking about Instagram and TikTok specifically, they only allow you to list one link in your profile. And so that's why services like LinkTree, like Milkshake, like Link in Bio exist. They want you to be able to showcase your various offers in one specific space. So today I want to guide you exactly through why these existing services have sort of grown old and outdated, and I want to teach you about what tool you should be using instead. Okay, so by now you might be thinking, like, I've been using LinkTree forever, or maybe you went through the effort of creating your own website and having a page on that website that has all your specific links. I know I did this because I was told by the gurus on the internet that if it's linked to your own website and people start to wander, then they'll be able to find your actual website and blah, 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 blah. If you're doing any of those things, that's great, but trust me when I say that this tool is going to change the game for you. So to be brief, the main issue I see with the existing sort of link in bio platforms is that they are a single-use service. That meaning that essentially they are just a literal list of links that people can click on, and that is the only purpose they serve, to direct your consumer to your list of links, to click on the link, to then go somewhere else. You can't really do much else with them. You can't make sales, you can't grow your email list, and you can't sell digital products without, again, the customer having to click your link, click the link to the other link, and then fill out all the information. It's just a really inefficient system. So rather than have your customer or client click the link, go to your website, go to some third-party website, and then complete the process, this tool that I'm going to share makes everything all happen in one place. And that's exactly why I want to share with you the tool that I use to do all of these things all at once, save time, and make it so much easier for my customers. And that is why I wanted to introduce you to Stan Store. Again, this video is not sponsored. I am, however, an affiliate with Stan, and that's genuinely because I just use and love the product, and I want to share it with as many people as possible. As we saw at the beginning of this video, I briefly showed you what my store looks like, so let's go ahead and kind of dive through that a little bit deeper. As you can see, I have my small digital offering here, and when you click on it, it provides the customer with more information and then gives them the opportunity to fill out their credit card info right on the application. I offer audits if people have the opportunity to book one-on-one calls with me, and similarly enough, they can book right into my calendar, fill in all the information I need, and then just pay right on the app. And then you can also sign up for my free offer, which would put you right onto my email list. And then I have any of my affiliate links listed here as well. I seriously am obsessed with this platform simply because it makes it so easy to provide all of the services and digital offerings that I normally would, but integrate it all into one single space, which makes it as easy for the customer as possible. There's no clicking and trying to navigate your way through a third-party website or having to click to click to click. It's simple. You show up on the store, you click on what you want to buy or sign up for, and then it's done. It's like if your website integrated with Google Calendar, integrated with Zoom, integrated with PayPal, Stripe, all of it all in one place. It's seriously incredible. Setting up your store is super simple, and they actually offer you a 14-day free trial so you can try it out. You simply just go to the sign up and fill out all of your information. As you can see from my store here, you have the option to plug and play with different applications. You can change your offers out. You can add new offers. In the back end, you're also able to edit what the checkout pages look like, welcome emails, all of that good stuff, and it's all in one single platform. Now, obviously, one of the reasons I absolutely love Stan Store is that they make getting paid as a creator super simple. It's so much easier than other websites where sometimes, we have an offer on this website, an offer on that website. We're trying to track where all of our income is coming from and then cashing out on multiple different platforms, all into our bank account. With Stan, we can literally see everything right in our store, and all we have to do is click the cash out button and it will transfer that money into our bank account. As I'm sure you've already concluded, getting your Stan store into your link in bio is also super easy. All you have to do is click the share button at the top right of the screen. That will copy the link into your browser. You can go to your Instagram or TikTok profile and just update it in your profile settings. One of the other reasons I love Stan is that they really break down the analytics in a way that is clear and easy to understand. Through the analytics on the platform, you can see store visits, you're able to track total revenue, you can see how many people visit your store versus how many actually convert into leads. You can sort by paid versus unpaid products, you can see which products are actually being viewed, and you can also see which links are being clicked on and how many times. Now, from a business perspective, this is a really great way to track what is working and what is not working in your business so that we're not wasting time creating things that people don't want to look at or don't want to buy. It's a great way to test products in a simple and easy platform. So if you're looking for a better way to make more money in your business, maybe you want to dabble in the realm of passive income, maybe you want to grow your email list, Stan Store is the right choice for you. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, they do offer a 14-day trial, so you could try it out and see if it's the right fit. And again, I did mention this earlier in the video, but I am an affiliate with Stan, so I do have an affiliate link down in the description of this video. Click the link, give it a try for 14 days, and see if it's the right fit for you. I already know it will be. On that note, if you do decide to give it a try, I would love for you to leave a comment below and let me know what the link to your store is so that I can check it out. I would love to see what you are doing in your small business. All right, friends, that's going to be it for this video. As always, if you have questions, you can leave them in the comments below. I will be back next Friday with another video, and let's see what YouTube has in store for you as it suggests the next video that you should watch.